Cordless Electric Mop with dual rotating motors. Wireless water spray fully automatic floor cleaner, no steam, dual pad rotation. Say goodbye to back-breaking floor cleaning with this cordless electric mop, designed to give you effortless, powerful, and streak-free results on all types of hard flooring without using steam. With dual rotating mop heads, a built-in water spray function, and cord-free operation, this modern mop is ideal for daily use in kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, and living rooms. Whether you're wiping up spills or deep cleaning dust and grime, this floor cleaner is your go-to for convenience, performance, and speed. Key features: cordless and hassle-free. Move freely with no tangled cords or outlets needed. Long-lasting battery for multiple rooms in one go. Recharge easily and use anytime, anywhere. Dual powerful motors. 2 rotating mop pads spin at high speed to remove stains effortlessly. Ideal for dried spills, dirt, footprints, and pet messes. Saves time and effort with automatic pad rotation. Integrated water spray system. Spray water directly from the mop with the push of a button. Ideal for light mopping or refreshing floors. Use clean water or a mild cleaning solution, no steam. No steam. Safe for delicate floors. Designed without steam, making it safe for wood, laminate, vinyl, and marble. Gentle but effective on high-end flooring or moisture-sensitive surfaces. User-friendly design. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to maneuver. LED indicator light for real-time working status. Quiet operation suitable for any time of day. Safety instructions. Allow 20 seconds after powering on for system calibration. Blue light will stop flashing. Always secure the safety rope when using on elevated surfaces or walls. For best results, lightly spray water on the edge of the mop pads before starting. What's in the box? 1 cordless electric mop, 1 charging cable, 1 safety rope, 2 dual mop pads, reusable, 1 user manual, free operation video support available upon request. Specifications, feature details: power type cordless, rechargeable battery, motor type dual rotating motors. Water spray yes, manual spray button, steam function no, safe for sensitive floors, recommended use hard floors, tile, wood, vinyl, laminate. Weight lightweight and easy to carry. Mop pad type reusable microfiber, machine washable, battery life up to 30 to 45 minutes. Depends on use. Safety feature anti-fall rope for elevated cleaning. Ideal for daily home cleaning, pet hair and paw prints, hard to reach corners, bathroom tiles and kitchen floors, steam sensitive floors, wood, laminate. Quick tips: wait 20 seconds after turning on for calibration before mopping. Use the safety rope for elevated cleaning, e.g. glass, tables. Spray water on mop pads for improved friction and cleaning power. Contact support for video guides or troubleshooting help.